Well, hello everyone, and welcome to today's Royal Cyber webinar session with SAP Commerce Cloud. Let's give another 30 seconds or so for any last-minute attendees before we get started. All right. Well, hello, everyone. My name is Alfonso Asuaje, Business Lead for Enterprise SAP Commerce Services here at Royal Cyber. It's my pleasure to welcome you to today's Royal Cyber webinar session on Path to a Successful SAP Commerce Migration. Before getting started, I would like to introduce our speakers. Today, we are joined by Valentina Renaud, CX Cloud Accelerator Team Manager at SAP, and our very own Abdul Wahab, SAP Commerce Practice Head here at Royal Cyber. I'm super excited to be here with the both of you and cannot wait to deep dive into today's topic. See, for today's agenda, we will kick off with the Royal Cyber company overview. Then Valentina will give us an SAP Commerce Cloud overview where she will walk us through the CX landscapes, its components, value propositions, additions, and onboarding, as well as what you need to know for your move to SAP Commerce Cloud, from facts to journey to CMT. From there, Abdul will share about our SAP Commerce Cloud capabilities and experience and how we can support your team on your common migration. And we'll also have a Q&A session where we can answer any questions you might have on the topic, and we'll wrap up with details on our special offer for all attendees. So let's start with a brief Royal Cyber introduction for any attendees that might be meeting us for the first time today. See, Royal Cyber is an IT consulting and digital transformation company. We've been innovating in the e-commerce space since 2002, and now with over 1,200 employees worldwide, Royal Cyber has successfully completed over 1,500 projects for more than 130 clients through our offices across the USA, India, Canada, Pakistan, KSA, and New Zealand. We specialize in providing end-to-end services and solutions for everything from e-commerce to its surrounding ecosystem, including cloud, analytics, AI, integrations, portals, RPA, and even mobile, all across 12 plus industries and various business models. We serve major enterprise organizations as an IT systems implementer and trusted technology partner across leading technologies like our SAP Commerce Gold partnership, as well as our partnerships with Salesforce, Magento, HCL, to name a few, and that's just commerce. Also, all the other areas, we also have really great partnerships from AI to analytics to cloud. We're always looking to see how we can continue to provide that end-to-end support to our customers. Now that we're well acquainted, let's transition to today's main event and let's direct our attention to our guest, Valentina Renaud.
Thank you, Alfonso, and hi to all. My name is Valentina, and I've been in SAP since 9 years in several roles, as a developer, consultant, and architect, and I currently lead the CX Cloud Acceleration team for Europe and Asia regions. I will just give you a moment to take notice of this disclaimer. As Alfonso mentioned earlier, in today's session, we'll start with an overview of SAP Commerce Cloud, and then we'll take a look of what it means to move your existing on-premise installation to SAP Commerce Cloud. First of all, I'd like to give you an overview of SAP Commerce Cloud as part of the comprehensive SAP customer experience portfolio of solutions. It is integrated with other CX solutions such as SAP Marketing Cloud, SAP Customer Data Platform, SAP Sales Cloud, and SAP Service Cloud, and back-office solutions such as SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP. This comprehensive CX portfolio enables you to get a first-mover advantage as market conditions change, by leveraging the SAP CX platform's ability to evolve business models with its breadth of capabilities, intentionally grow your customer base, leveraging critical customer insights and preferences that are surfaced from integration across your demand and supply chain, and take advantage of the largest, most widely available, and best compliant CX platform to grow your business anytime, anywhere. Here, you get a quick glance of the key solution components of the SAP Commerce Cloud platform. The platform provides comprehensive modules that are integrated so that you can easily connect and extend to build the perfect fit digital commerce solution for your business. On top is Spartacus, the headless commerce layer that you can use with or without a head, typical online storefront, leveraging 100% platform API coverage that allows brands to easily add new customer touchpoints and channels, update the storefront experience easily without touching the core commerce capabilities, and quickly deliver new and exciting experiences at scale. The Core Commerce Cloud solution comes with various modules, an easy-to-use and intuitive web content management system for site personalization and layout optimization. Product content management serves as the single source of truth for all your product data and content, to be made available seamlessly on all customer-facing front-end channels. Discovery and personalization that can enable real-time intelligent personalization and merchandising. Order management for order creation and omni-channel fulfillment. You can easily extend the solution by building extensions and integration using a microservices-based approach with SAP Business Technology Platform, BTP, Kima Runtime, and embed commerce capabilities everywhere using open APIs to connect to more than 80 third-party ecosystem applications. We also provide native integrations to other SAP front office solutions such as SAP Customer Data Cloud, SAP Service Cloud, SAP Sales Cloud, and SAP Marketing Cloud, and back office solutions such as SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP. Leading industry analysts recommend SAP Commerce Cloud as the solution of choice for enterprise-grade commerce businesses, with Gartner naming SAP Commerce Cloud a leader in the Digital Magic Quadrant 7 times in a row. SAP Commerce Cloud is your partner in delivering a great commerce experience that's central to your digital strategy. It provides business value through support for existing touchpoints like web and mobile, as well as emerging ones like wearables and IoT devices. The multi-site, multi-country, multi-language, and multi-currencies capabilities, all on a single platform for multiple business models like B2B, B2C, D2C, and marketplaces, allow you to be ready to take your business to the next level globally. The rich out-of-the-box features make possible to deliver in-the-moment personalization at scale. You can connect the demand with the supply chain via the connector front and back offices that empower your employees and make them productive, helping them building trust with your customers in a permission-driven, compliant manner. SAP Commerce Cloud is a modular and extensible platform that lets you build the perfect fit solution for your current and future needs. SAP Commerce Cloud comes in 3 editions to satisfy the requirements of all customers. All editions come with a minimum of 3 environments: small and medium sandboxes for development and testing purposes, as well as a production environment for your live website, product content management, disaster recovery, performance health check, as well as activities aimed at supporting customers to initiate a healthy journey on SAP Commerce Cloud. Customers can consider purchasing the professional or enterprise editions to have access to the power of SAP BTP, Kima, intelligent selling services, as well as help with upgrades and more frequent performance checks. Additional environments, BTP and Kima productive instances, as well as premium disaster recovery, are available in the Enterprise Edition, together with more activities to help customers get started and keep up to date. I just mentioned about the activities that come with SAP Commerce Cloud, and they come under the name of onboarding and fundamental activities. SAP accompanies their customers on their journey to SAP Commerce Cloud, so they have more time to focus on their business. You can see on screen the list of activities and how they are related to the editions of SAP Commerce Cloud. The activities vary in nature, from helping the customer with the initial setup to understanding the full capabilities of the product to maximizing the features value until keeping up to date with the latest version with platform and technical upgrades. And now we take a look to what it means to move your existing on-premise commerce installation to SAP Commerce Cloud. To start, some facts related to the Move program. It is active since 2019 and it's a program in continuous evolution. To date, we've had over 200 go-lives on migrated customers and lots more are in the making. As we've helped our customers move into the cloud, we have kept updating our best practices and listened to the feedback that was provided to us. Hence, we've added more delivery options such as brownfield and greenfield to the initial lift and shift option. These allow customers the flexibility they need in order to maximize the investment they made on their on-premise system while adopting and consuming the new features offered by SAP Commerce Cloud. By analyzing the existing on-premise system with the migration assessment, we are able to detect early what might need to be adjusted in order to move to the cloud. And by working as one team with customers and their implementation partners, we can ensure all parties are aligned and the best practices are adopted throughout the journey. But how does a migration really look like? Successful migrations see the customer, partner, and SAP working together to achieve every milestone. The fundamental steps of the journey starts with a discussion amongst all parties to understand how to move, the benefits of moving, and what's involved. An assessment is then executed to understand the existing on-premise setup and, with the customer key requirements always in sight, how it could be moved to SAP Commerce Cloud. The parties keep working together on defining the customer's personalized migration path. A migration is the perfect chance to leverage key aspects that SAP Commerce Cloud offers, such as being a certified, secure, trusted, and reliable platform. All options to move are discussed, and when all parties as one team reach an agreement on what the final solution and project roadmap will look like, the project then enters its delivery phase, where the websites are tested, deployed, and taken to life on SAP Commerce Cloud. Allow me a moment to stress the importance of the testing in your project on the new infrastructure. While the business processes of your project might remain similar, key technical underlying components change and require accurate performance testing. After a successful go-live on the cloud, the review of the initially planned roadmap happens so that the customer, the implementation partner, and SAP can refine and optimize against it. Now to the Commerce Migration Toolkit, or CMT. CMT is an extension of SAP Commerce, built and integrated in it, that allows customers and partners to import data from an existing installation into SAP Commerce Cloud. This toolkit, together with the self-service media migration process described on CXWorks, allows customers and partners to leverage a complete self-service journey while moving to the cloud. CMT has been released as an open-source SAP sample code on GitHub. All can download it, test it, and contribute to it. When installed, the toolkit comes with a new tab in the administration console. A friendly UI allows the user to configure the migration endpoints and options and test the connectivity. The UI supports the user not only to execute the data migration, but also to monitor its progress. Thanks to the self-service VPN offered by SAP Commerce Cloud that must be installed between the source and target environments, customers and partners have the certainty to move their data in a secure way. But how to use the toolkit? It's easy, 5 simple steps. Step 1 is to install the Toolkit on the SAP Commerce Cloud instance. Connect the on-premise source and target cloud systems with the self-service secure VPN and test the connectivity. Step 2 is about configuring the dedicated environments for the data transfer. The Toolkit allows users to transfer data of one environment at a time. Typically, the data transfer first happens between lower environments, such as a testing or a production-like ones, before being executed in production. Step 3 is to leverage the Toolkit features to address potential differences in the data models of the source and target environments. Users might want to exclude some tables from the migration or fix data type inconsistencies. With step 4, the users trigger the data migration and can monitor its execution in the Toolkit itself. Potential errors are identified and the data migration can be done again after fixing them. At this point, in order to have a consistent environment to test, the media should also be transferred. Finally, users can test the migrated data by checking the migration report and by looking directly into the cloud environment. Steps 2 to 5 can be repeated for each of the desired environments. Hoping this was informative, I thank you all for your time today. I'm handing over to you, Abdul, now. Thank you.
Thank you, Valentina and Alfonso. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. This is Abdul Wahab. I'm leading SAP CX practice in Royal Cyber, and a main number of people are working in this practice. So I would like to brief about our commerce expertise. So let's go over it. Yes. As see, our services definitely, we have done number of innovative commerce implementations. We have done number of B2B customers and B2C customers new implementations, and also we do support upgrade and migrations. Recently also we have done 3 upgrade, and also like we have done one successful CCV2 migrations and another CCV2 migration, 2 other CCV2 migrations. We are working on that as well, and then we have good exposure on the performance and quality enhancements. We also support our existing customers and also new customers, for their site performance, and a lot of customers, get benefited from that, performance recommendations and then quality enhancements. And also we do support a quality managed service, it's application managed service support. Also we do provide 24/7 and also different time zone as well. We are supporting as well. So this is about our services and our capability, right? So number of resources working across different region. We are so we are not only supporting in US or few regions. We are we have a big development center in offshore. Basically, that's a great advantage for us. We have number of development center basically in India, that's Chennai and Bangalore, and additionally we do have our development center. We are setting it up in Karachi as well. That's our main development center. In Hybris practice alone, 140 plus resources, developers and then leads are working from this development center. And our headquarters, as we mentioned, which is in Illinois, Chicago. So there around 20 plus resources are working on the SAP Commerce technologies. And additionally 40 plus people are certified, which is included Commerce Cloud, and additionally we are also expanding in Sales and Service Cloud, and currently MRCs and CDP technologies also our team is getting expanded basically. In that, this is little bit summary of our experience. As I mentioned before, we have very good, great expertise on the B2B and B2C domain. We have done number of greenfield implementations, and also we do support digital transformation for our customers, B2B customers, and then B2C implementations also we have done for our customers. So we have a very good knowledge on this domain, and also SAP Commerce side also we have done number of implementations on that B2B B2C commerce. Again, as I mentioned before, it's the greater skill, the greater capability we do have. Our in-house resources are very good, and then they have certified number of resources are certified. There are around 160 plus resources are working under SAP Commerce practice. And good thing is strong North America presence, which is easily can work in onshore offshore model. So over 20 plus resources are working in North America region as well, and we are gold partner, which is which not directly will get gold partner. Number of implementations, number of customer great feedback, we'll get that one. We are gold partner with SAP Commerce, and we are also resell. We can resell the license of SAP product as well, and we do build number of solutions. We are build partner. We do build number of solutions. We have launched number of solution in SAP Marketplace as well. If you go to store.sap.com, you can find Royal Sabre product as well. There are few products which is launched now, which is AI personalized search and 3D configurations as well. Some other product also on the pipeline. We are working on that. So yes, this is about we build. We are not only service partner. We are not only providing services to implement the solutions. We are also creating our solutions, our own build innovations. We have a separate product lab team, so which is the team main responsibility to create the solutions. We are creating the solutions based on our customers pain point and then problems what the customers facing. Based on that few solutions we have developed. So there are few solutions which is available in marketplace, and some solutions we are about to launch as well, and then that is in the pipeline as well. This is some of the integrations experience. I just put in a few logos, but there are a number of other experience integrations experience as well we do have. I just want to give, yeah, there are a number of customer success story we do have about SAP Commerce. If we talk about, as this webinar is mainly CCV2 or SAP Commerce Cloud version 2 migrations related. I just put that one of our customers, which recently we launched CCV2 migrations. They were in Cloud Commerce version 1 or that specific customers because Cloud Commerce version 1 comes to end of life. SAP is not going to provide support for that, so they have to migrate to Cloud Commerce version 2. We do provide support, and we recently successfully launched their site to cloud, actually SAP CCV2 versions. So which is a huge we have done great work within time period, within the short period of time we have done. They are big customers, actually. They have number of datas as well, and they are in B2B and B2C as well. We were able to launch their site successfully. With that, I would give it to Alfonso. Thank you so much, everyone. Alfonso, I'm heading over to you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Abdul. And of course, thank you so much, Valentina, for that quick walkthrough on everything we need to know for our next, or anybody who's planning their next SAP Commerce Cloud migration. At this time, Valentina, Abdul, and I are going to open up the floor for any questions that may have come up during the presentation. That said, please start sharing your questions over the open chat feature, and we will do our best to answer as many questions as we can in the next few minutes. And of course, any questions that we can't get to in time, we will reach out to you directly with the appropriate insight.